Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are all doing great and staying consistent in your trading journey. First of all, I want to welcome every single one of you to the series again. And if you are new here, then you are watching one of the most powerful real account challenges step by step. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and stay connected with every update of this challenge. Your support means a lot, and it helps us continue bringing real trading sessions in front of you. If you're interested in our system, or if you want to understand how this bot works, you can message us directly on WhatsApp. Our team will guide you in detail. Now, let us begin today's session. Today is day 4 of our $500 challenge. As you already know, we recently completed a $50 challenge where we started small and ended above $300. That challenge was completed successfully, and it showed how a structured approach can build consistency over time. Now, we started this bigger challenge from $500. The goal is simple: to grow this account step by step, with discipline, with structure, and with proper system execution. Our long-term target in this challenge is to move from $500 toward the $2,500 level, and we are moving step by step, day by day. This is not the first time we're doing this. We have completed multiple challenges before, and every time we show the process in front of you. Now, let me ask you something. How is your trading going these days? Are you making profits or facing losses? Are you trading forex, crypto, or synthetic indices? Make sure you share your answers in the comments. Your response helps others learn as well. Now, talking about current market conditions. Crypto markets are moving with uncertainty. Forex is also reacting to global movements. In such situations, many traders struggle with consistency. That is why platforms like Deriv with synthetic indices become preferred choice, because these markets allow structured systems to operate continuously without interruption. And this is exactly where our bot performs. Now, coming to today's execution. This is day 4 of growing the account from the initial balance. Before starting the bot, we analyze multiple indices. We check different options carefully. And at that time, volatility 25 index with 1 second ticks was the better opportunity. Again, let me clarify something important. The analysis you see on screen is just for transparency. The real logic behind the system is based on program conditions that operate internally. After confirming the setup, we moved to D-Bot. Our system was already loaded and ready. Then we started configuring the session settings. We selected volatility 25 1 second index. We set the stop loss to $110. We set the take profit target to $220, and the stake size was set to $20.98. After confirming all parameters carefully, we started the bot. And once again, the system began executing trades automatically. Now listen carefully. Success in trading is not about luck. It is about consistency. It is about following a structure and trusting the process. Many people jump from one strategy to another, but the ones who stay consistent are the ones who improve over time. Technology in trading is not here to replace you. It is here to support disciplined execution. And when discipline meets structure, results begin to show step by step. This journey we are sharing is not just about numbers. It is about showing you the process. It is about showing how a system performs under real conditions. It is about building confidence through real sessions. Every challenge we complete becomes proof of consistency. Every session becomes part of a bigger journey. And every result shows what structured execution can look like. Now, let me share today's results with you. After launching our premium bot, the system started executing trades according to its programmed rules. Within approximately 16 minutes, the take profit target was achieved. During this session, the bot executed around 122 trades. Out of those trades, 113 were successful, and 9 trades resulted in losses. The total profit secured during this session was approximately $221. This is a performance of today's session. You can clearly see everything in the video. The execution, the trades, and the final result. Day 4 of the challenge is now completed, and the journey is still moving forward. We are not stopping here. We continue step by step toward the next milestone. And as always, we do what we say. We show real results. We share real sessions. And we continue building this journey in front of you. If you've been following from the beginning, then you already know this is not the first challenge we completed. We have done this multiple times. And every time we show the process clearly, this is the power of a structured system. Now coming to what's next. As the account continues to grow, the next steps will include further sessions and eventually withdrawals as part of the journey. If you want to learn more about our system, you can visit our website, alphaderivbot.com. There you can explore everything about our bot. Alpha Deriv Bot is designed to provide structured execution with focus on discipline, automation, and controlled strategy flow. Our goal is to keep improving and keep sharing real trading experiences with our community. If you're interested, you can message us directly on WhatsApp. Our team will guide you step by step. Once again, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, press the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay focused, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next session.